Hi there, I'm Mary. Welcome to NewStart. I'm so glad you're here. If you're anything like me, you're busy, very busy with family, work, fun, and everything in between. And oftentimes it's very easy to put everybody else's priorities and their health and wellness and happiness in front of your own. And so this is why we created NewStart. It's a place where you can take on some simple, consistent, easy, but meaningful steps to help you on your own wellness journey. It's pretty exciting stuff if you ask me. So on this page, here's what we have. We have some of the key things that make up this community and this platform called NewStart. We've got our NewStart Navigator Wellness Survey. Kind of gives you a bird's eye view into where you're at in this moment. Our 21-day transformation challenges, super fun, super helpful, and results getting. We have our tea kits, which is a great way to get some hydration and energy, super tasty. And for those that need it, our diabetes prevention plan as part of the CDC's diabetes prevention program. So we've got a little bit of everything. And what I invite you to do is go ahead and take a look around. And if you see anything that kind of resonates or clicks with you, tap on in and explore further. I am here to help you accomplish your goals, and I would love for you to become part of the NewStart family. So take your time, reach out, click some buttons, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Bye now.